Hello YouTube, and this is my introduction video for Jaeger MC. This video is made by purposes because I really want to join. Oh my god, it's raining outside. Let me just get in again. So yeah, this is a introduction video, half. It's also a application video for the Duck MC series. It's like a Minecraft type of server, just not Minecraft. So I have this nice little music disc playing in the background, and let's get to the info. My full name is Angelo River Nielsen. I'm born in Denmark and I live in Denmark. I'm 12 years old, and in a month so I get 13. Yeah. And my headset, I'm using Logitech G430. My keyboard is SteelSeries Gamer Apex Gamer keyboard. Wait, you can say like that. Yeah. So that's what keyboard I have. For how long can I record? I could record if I can record right now, I could record every time. And I'm really excited to make a series on the server. So if I get in, I would make a whole series and do stuff on that. So yeah. And as you can see, I have no black bars. I run super smoothly. I can even go into smooth mode so you can see it. Ooh. Yeah, so I run pretty smooth. Right now, I set my buffer to 60 FPS, but I could set it higher. Oh, that's outside. So yeah, let's just do some stuff. What else do we need? Yeah, I'm getting partnered soon. I have an Honor channel, but I just wanted a fresh restart on making this. So yeah, fuck these torches. I'm just gonna block this up again. This is my normal world. Fuck. Okay, there we go. So I have another channel, and yeah, on that channel I do intros, graphics, and I haven't been active for a while, and I just wanted to start a new channel where I can do stuff fresh restart. I have 89 subs on that other channel, so yeah. And that music is really getting higher right now. It's like pop. And I'm getting into puberty right now. It's so fucking weird. So what else do we need in this video? Oh yeah. I have Skype, and my Skype will be in the description if you want to know my Skype, talk to me, maybe play a bit of games with me. So yeah, fuck this. Why do you keep coming? Oh my god. Okay, let's just dig out so it looks pretty nice. So now I'm gonna just make this area nice, because I'm also good at building. I've been building on a server called Twilight Prison. It's not open anymore, but yeah. The music stopped. Aww. There we go. So I see I've done something wrong. Oh, there we go. Let's just start by making this stuff. Gotta make this room perfect. Oh my god, I forgot everything about the new banners. Oh my god, I know something to do. We're gonna have banners outside here. This is the entrance to hell. Oh, it doesn't really look that nice as I thought it would. Still nice. Yeah, okay, let's give this place a little makeover. Let's start out by putting some few nice blocks. Okay, let's just dig out this area. Oh, it's getting dark in here. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, I hate this gravel. Gravel is some of the worst thing in freaking Minecraft. They even changed the freaking texture of it. Why? Oh shit! Oh my god. I got scared there. I just thought these two banners just walked into this tunnel just to get me. Oh my god, I was seriously scared right there. Oh my god. Sorry if oh my god, I'm just getting scared. Oh, now I know what I did wrong. I love this music. just turns me on. Okay. Okay. I'm maybe gonna bleep that out, but okay, it's fine. It's fine. You can kill it. You can take. You can fucking take it. Oh, also sorry. I'm gonna try to stop not cursing or anything. That's really annoying for me also. But this looks so nice. Sorry if I'm bad at singing. I just love this song. Let's just do some patterns in the ground. That looks nice. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do this. Woohoo! This looks nice. And then this, and this, and then we just replace all the stone with red hardened clay. Red stained hardened clay. So welcome to the red hardened clay. Okay, so this was the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in Duck.